Okay, so this question is using ratio, and Stella and Thomas share $200 in the ratio of 11:14, and we need to show that Stella receives $88. So to do this question, we need to work out how many parts there are in total. So in total here, we have 25 parts, which is the 11 plus 14. We also know that Stella receives 11 of those parts. So you can imagine you've got 11 of these parts, 14 of these parts, these aren't the exact number, and therefore 25 altogether. So 200 divided by 25, that gives me 8. So each of these parts, if you like, is worth $8, each of these parts. And therefore, if Stella receives 11 of them, we have 11 times those 8, and therefore she receives $88. For the second part, it says that she invests her $88 at a rate of 1.5% per year, simple interest. So if it's simple interest, we know that we just do the PRN. So the principal amount, the starting amount is 88. The rate of interest is 0.015. So 1.5% divided by 100 is 0.015. And that happens for 6 years. So times by 6, and that gives me 7.92. So she receives $7.92. Now when you're doing this one, you must make sure that we have the 0.015, not 1.015. Okay, for simple interest, it needs to be 0. And then the next question, for part B, Urs buys some clothes in the sale, and he buys a jacket for $22. The original price was $25. So that means that the original price was $25, and it was reduced by an amount of money, but we're not sure how much, and that gave me my final price, which is $22. Okay, so the difference in the price there is $3. So 3 out of the $25, and that gives me 0.012. And therefore, in total, when I times that by 100 to get the percentage, I get 12%. And then the last one, he buys a shirt for $13.50. And this is after a reduction of 10% from the original price. Calculate the original price of the shirt. So we had an original price, we're not sure what it is, so let's just call it X. But we do know that it was reduced by 10%, so that means that I've found 90% of the original, which is a reduction of 10%. Okay, and that gives me the total price at the end of $13.50, and therefore, if I rearrange that to find X, I get $13.50 divided by 0.90, and that gives me $15. So $15, and if we wanted to check, you could do 15 times 0.9 and check that you get $13.50.